Hey Nina, you're early today.
Yeah, I finished work sooner than usual.
Nice. Did you come to play or just relax?
A bit of both. I wanted to move my body.
Same here. I was sitting all day.
That feeling is the worst.
My back was hurting.
Sports help with that.
True. What did you train today?
Basic drills passing, shooting, light running.
Nothing too intense?
Not today. I felt tired this morning.
Did you sleep badly?
Yeah, I went to bed late.
Watching something?
A game replay. I couldn't stop watching.
I know that feeling.
Do you follow sports every day?
Not every day, but I check scores.
Online or on TV?
Mostly on my phone.
Same. It's faster.
Do you remember your first time playing basketball?
Yes, very clearly.
Really?
I was nervous. I missed every shot.
That sounds like my first football game.
Were you bad?
Very bad. I didn't know where to stand.
But you kept playing.
Yes, I didn't want to quit.
That's important.
Many people stop too early.
Because they compare themselves.
Exactly.
I did that too.
How did you stop?
I focused on progress, not others.
That's hard to do.
It takes time.
Do you still feel pressure?
Sometimes, especially in team games.
When people watch you?
Yes, I don't want to make mistakes.
But mistakes are normal.
I know, but feelings don't listen.
That's true.
Sports help me face that fear.
Same for me.
Even a bad game teaches something.
Like what?
Patience, control.
I learned teamwork.
Teamwork is huge.
You can't do everything alone.
Exactly.
Do you prefer training alone or with others?
Both. Alone helps focus.
And with others?
It gives energy.
I like that energy.
Me too. It pushes you.
Do you set goals?
Small ones.
Like what?
Better passing, better timing.
Not winning?
Winning is nice, but not the goal.
I like that mindset.
It keeps stress low.
Stress ruins the game.
Yes, then it's not fun anymore.
Why did you start sports in the first place?
To feel stronger.
Physically or mentally?
Both.
I started to lose weight.
And did it help?
Yes, but I gained confidence too.
That's the best part.
Do you ever skip training?
Sometimes, when I really need rest.
I used to feel guilty about that.
Me too. Not anymore.
Why?
Rest is part of training.
That's true.
Your body needs it,
And your mind.
especially the mind.
Do you eat differently on training days?
A little. More water.
Same. I forget sometimes.
Hydration matters a lot.
I feel weak when I forget.
That's your body talking.
I should listen more.
We all should.
Do you see yourself playing sports long term?
Yes, but maybe not competitively.
Just for health?
And happiness.
I like that answer.
Sports clear my head.
Mine too.
Even a short session helps.
You don't need hours.
Just consistency.
That's the hardest part.
True, but it gets easier.
Like building a habit.
Exactly.
Do you motivate others to play?
I try, but I don't force.
That's smart.
Everyone has their own pace.
I'm glad I didn't quit.
Me too.
Sports changed my routine.
And your mindset.
Yes, I feel more balanced.
That's a good word.
Balanced.